Hey friends, I bring you this unique Persian dessert recipe you can't miss on. Persian gas is a delicious Iranian nougat. The ingredients are 2 egg whites, 1 glass of sugar, half a glass of rose water, half a glass of glucose, 100 gram pistachios, 1 teaspoon cardamom. Boil the sugar and rose water over a medium flame. Make sure the sugar dissolves properly. Then add glucose. Stirring regularly to dissolve the glucose. The heat should be low. When the syrup thickens, put a little of it between 2 fingers. If it stretches like a thread between 2 fingers, the syrup is ready. And turn the heat off. Separate the egg yolks and whites. Beat the egg whites in a mixer till puffed and it doesn't spill out of the container. Pour a little syrup into the egg whites and stir. Then pour all the egg whites into the syrup. First mix with a mixer, then mix with a spoon till it becomes firm. It takes about 30 minutes. Now add pistachios and mix. Cover a container with plastic. Pour flour. Pour gas ingredients on it. Again, pour flour on the gas ingredients. Smooth it. Put it in refrigerator for 2 hours.
Two hours later.
It's ready and you can cut it. Enjoy your meal!